Hey everybody, it's Kevin from 3D Printed Props. In today's video, we're going to be working on this awesomely detailed DO3D Black Panther mask. I am just digging this thing, the amount of detail. Let's take a look at how I printed it and painted it and put it together. All right, put it together. Well, everybody, today we're going to look at this great DO3D mask. I've been wanting to do a Black Panther for a while. I'm actually not going to be wearing this. This is just sort of going to be a display model. I'm going to build some things around it. Super happy with this. The amount of detail in this print is just incredible. Totally digging this helmet. Let's go ahead and hit the workbench on the other side of this wall, and I'll show you how I painted it and put it together.
Okay, now we're putting a little Bondo on the helmet. It helps take care of some of the print lines that the filler primer doesn't really take care of. And you can see some of those lines up where my hand is, where it's just, the filler primer just doesn't take care of it and the sanding doesn't. Now, since this helmet's so detailed, it's got all these fine lines, I went through with a set of files. They'll be linked below, and I use these all the time to just get some of that primer out of there. And then it was just a question of giving it a nice glossy black coat of paint that I end up going over with a matte later on because I think it a little too shiny. So I don't have to go crazy with the tape because I'm going to be using a brush and I'm not going to be spray painting, but I wanted fine lines where that silver is. Now, you might be saying, wow, that's really silver. And it's really silver because it isn't paint. It's actually that silver rub and buff, which has such a nice quality to it. And I've actually used a little bit of water in the rub and buff, just a tiny bit, so that it will coat much more evenly and go on a lot easier. Sometimes rub and buff can be a little too thick because it is more than likely a wax, and that water really helps. And I'm just going over, and you can see just how smooth and shiny rub and buff turns out. And there we go, finishing up with the shiny silver rub and buff. And then it's time for lenses, and I found these on eBay. They're really neat, really simple to use. They come all wired. Links will be below. I melt them with a heat gun. Be careful because they do crack. And then I go ahead and put it on with a little bit of the hot glue. And there we go. Super happy with this helmet. You can see all the detail in the DO3D helmet. The lenses, how cool they look. Just a neat helmet. And also, this revolving base I found is pretty neat. It's a battery powered. It's a lot more powerful than some of the ones out there. Really sharp.
All right, so there it is, the DO3D helmet for Black Panther. Love how detailed this model is. If you're looking to pick this up, click on the link below or just go to do3d.com. If you're wondering, a lot of people will ask, how do I purchase things there? There's no prices. You email them, tell them what you want, and they will send you the price and a PayPal link. You can then purchase it or not. They always send you the files. Very reputable. Just a great company and just amazing models over there. If you're interested in anything I used for this build, any of the paints, the rubber buffs, anything like that, check in the description below. And again, if you liked the video, click like and subscribe, hit that little bell, and this way you'll know when the next videos are coming out. I'm going to build a little display for this since I'm not going to be wearing this helmet because I printed it a little too small. If you're going to print it and you want to wear it, you might bump it up a few percentage points. I printed this at 100%. I might do it at 105 to fit on my fat noggin. But other than that, again, fantastic model. Take a look, do3d.com. And I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, take it easy and have a great day.